Alright, so this is not going to be on the screen in like the little corner like everybody else's, because I don't know how to do that. Alright, let's get into it. Ooh, ooh, girl. I love Alyssa forever. She my ride or die. Ooh, child.
Into this tutorial, I'm starting off with a plain clean face.
I'm starting off with clean face too, and I'm gonna use my Pure Cosmetics. And now she put some chapstick on.
And then to prime my face, I'm taking this Benefit Professional Matte.
Don't judge me, guys. I still got my stuff packed up. Let's see what hers is. Girl, let's go.
And then to prime my
she got the matte rescue kind. I just got the pore primer. So I'm gonna put that on, pause it, because she going too damn fast. Okay, let's see. So I just got a little bit. And I'm gonna put that where my pores be open up. Okay, so we done put on our primer. Girl, what you got next, Alyssa? What you got next?
I'm really liking it so far. And then I like to take my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Loose Powder.
She's gonna use IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Loose Powder. I don't have that, and the only loose powder I have is e.l.f., and I don't really like it. So, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So I'm gonna go in with my dirty ass. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder. I'm just going with that. It's basically the same thing, you know, isn't it? Where's she putting it at? So come on, girl. Do I got Wi-Fi on?
And put that down after my primer.
She puts on after her primer. Right here, right here, and right here, and all over her nose. So let's do it. And don't forget, I'm going to put the link to her video so you can see the video, since, you know, I don't have the capabilities to be putting it on my screen and stuff. I'm going to put it in the description box because I love this video. And that's why I'm copying it. And I look crazy and white. Excuse me, Miss Ghost. Alright.
I'm using this Pure Minerals 4-in-1 Liquid Foundation.
Okay. She's going in with the foundation. She doesn't take off her powder, her setting powder. So, and plus, also, disclaimer, I don't have none of the stuff she about to use in this video. I'm just gonna try to copy what she doing, you know, and see. So for my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use Fenty in the shade 310 Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I'm sure if you do makeup, if you watch makeup videos, you've seen all about the Fenty, and I have, and I bought that first week it came out because I was like, yes, Riri, I got to support you, girl. I do 2 little pumps, and then I'm about to spray.
I'm using my Anastasia Beverly.
Okay, she moving on to the brows. She got the Anastasia. Since she's using a powder, I already told y'all I ain't got nothing that she got. Okay, I'm balling on a budget. Okay, so I'm gonna use what she used to use back in the day, this NYX Adorable palette. This little nasty little brush flat brush, and then I'm gonna mix this brown and this light brown, and I'm gonna go in how she does. She's gonna go with her matte concealer, and she's gonna sculpt her brows out. Let me show you. So I'm gonna use NYX in the color beige. It's a little too light for me, but that's all right. And I'm gonna use this little brush, and I'm just gonna go ham in here. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, so we got this eyebrow done. No, so I got this little weird looking thing. Okay, now she's taking her L'Oreal concealer. I'm gonna take my, y'all already know, well you don't know, I'm gonna take my LA Pro concealer in the color beige, pure beige, and I'm gonna do what she do. I'm gonna show y'all. This is my ghetto way of helping you along. Blend. So we gonna blend. Now she's taking her NYX Mineral Stick Foundation, and she's using it like as a contour. I don't have that, like I already told y'all before, but I do have Fenty actual contour stick in the color Truffle. Look at that product. Look at that product. Look at that product. And I've used a lot of it.
Just carve out my cheeks and around my forehead. Unfortunately, this is the darkest
Okay, so she carves out her cheeks and around her forehead. And now she's going in with the setting powder, Laura Mercier. I don't know how to say it, but I don't have that, so you already know I'm about to use this. And she goes under her eyes, the same places.
What I do my little ritual. I can't even say
I'll make it dusty.
My ritual, where I put the powder.
And then she puts it under her eyes, on her eyes, her chin, her nose, and then her forehead. Okay, okay. She puts it all over. Dang. Okay. Okay. No, she didn't. And then she dabs it in with her beauty blender. Okay. And then she puts a little bit on a brush. She puts a little powder on her little brush, and then she hits some eyebrows because I guess her eyebrows get greasy, so I'm gonna do it too. Okay, and then she puts a little bit more brown. Ooh, you're going too fast. She puts a little bit more color in her eyebrows from all the powders, you know. So I'm about to just whisk that on, just a smidge. Okay, and I used the same palette, and I just used that dark brown. Okay, she's going in with her telescopic her telescopic mascara on her brows. I don't have anything skinny enough, so I'm gonna use my Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara by Essence in the color Brownie Browns number 2, and I'm just gonna hit up. Okay, so that's my eyebrows. Well, I don't know if she's done. Let's see. So she hit it with the mascara up on there, and so I did.
Really thick brow hairs. Mascara is the fall.
Okay, now she's taking Bahama Mama, and she is setting her contour. So I'm gonna set my contour. This is Profusion. It's an eye packet from Target for $8. No, not Target, TJ Maxx. And this is a brow powder, but I mix the two and I use it as whatever, what is that called? You know, the contour. You know what I'm talking about. You know. So I'm gonna and then she's gonna contour her nose with the same Bahama Mama. So I'm gonna use the same, you know, dip, 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 dip. And she. Face looking good. I don't know about in the camera, but my face looking good in real life, girl. Okay, now she's getting her K-pop blush in the color blush. I'm gonna take my Tarte blush in the color Partay. Okay, and now she's using her Scandinavia spray, setting spray. I don't have that, so I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. Allure Wispy Multi-Pack. This was $10 for 3, and I use the eyelashes multiple times. They're bomb. Okay, okay. Lashes is everything, girl. Lashes everything. That's all this is it. Oh wait.
And then I'm gonna take this Ico Skinny Brush mascara.
And then she's gonna take mascara and she's gonna put it on her lower lash and like underneath where her real lashes are. Okay, then she gets her MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and she puts it on her, oh come on man. And she puts it on her lips. Yeah. And then she's using Lip Kit by Kylie Dulce K. I don't have that, so I'm gonna use the Tarteist lip paint in the color Birthday Suit because it's close to what she got on. And then I'm going to use the NYX lip liner crayon in the color Mauve. Alright guys, that was my video following the tutorial for Alyssa Forever for her baddie look. If you guys like this video or you like makeup videos from me, make sure you hit that like button and let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't already at the beginning of this video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos that come out every week. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Well, not my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching me struggle trying to look like a beauty guru, Alyssa Forever. Her video will be in the description box below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
I know I've got that sway that makes the boys all